Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 4th, 2025, and we're diving into Unum Group's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Unum Group, a leading provider of workplace benefits and services, has just released their Q3 2025 earnings. There's a lot to unpack, from their net income figures to strategic initiatives. Let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Unum Group reported total revenue of $3.38 billion for the third quarter of 2025. However, their net income saw a significant drop to $39.7 million. John, can you explain the factors behind these numbers?
Absolutely. The revenue increase is primarily driven by a 2.3% rise in premium income and a notable gain in other income. However, the net income decline is largely due to a substantial after-tax net reserve increase of $377.8 million, which impacted their bottom line. Despite this, their adjusted EPS of 2.9 cents was slightly below the forecasted 2 to 15 based on a survey of 7 analysts.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Unum's segment performance shows some interesting trends. The Unum US segment reported a decrease in adjusted operating income, while Colonial Life saw an increase. What are the key drivers here?
The Unum US segment faced a 7.8% decrease in adjusted operating income, primarily due to lower net investment income and higher benefit ratios. On the other hand, Colonial Life benefited from increased premium income and investment income, leading to a 2.8% rise in adjusted operating income. Additionally, the international segment showed strong premium growth of 14%, driven by sales and favorable persistency.
Capital management and shareholder returns. Unum has been active in capital management, returning significant value to shareholders. Can you elaborate on their strategies and how they impact the company's financial health?
Unum has returned approximately $980 million to shareholders year-to-date, including $250 million in share repurchases and $78.3 million in dividends this quarter. Their strong balance sheet, with a book value per share of $64.56, supports these actions. This strategy not only rewards shareholders, but also reflects confidence in their long-term growth prospects.
CEO insights and future outlook. CEO Richard P. McKenney provided some insights into Unum's performance and future outlook. What are the key takeaways from his statements?
Richard P. McKenney emphasized the solid performance across core businesses and the strategic focus on long-term growth. He highlighted the company's ability to return capital to shareholders while managing exposure in the closed block. However, he also noted that lower alternative investment income and the impacts from the annual assumption review are expected to affect earnings in the fourth quarter.
Key takeaways. In summary, Unum Group has shown resilience in its core operations despite some challenges in net income. With a strong focus on capital management and strategic growth, they remain well-positioned for the future. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Unum's performance. They have a solid foundation and strategic initiatives that could drive future growth.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Unum's performance in the comments below. Until next time.